Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PC. The first thing we will do is turn on our headphones and put them in pairing mode. This will depend on the model we are using, and in case of doubt, it is best to consult its manual. After that, we can go to the configuration of the computer. Here we will start by right-clicking on the Start menu and then click on Settings. Next, we will go to the left menu of Bluetooth and Devices. Now you need to make sure that you have the Bluetooth option turned on. After that, we will click on the Add Device option and then on the Bluetooth option. The search will begin. Once our headphones appear, we will click on them so that they begin to connect. Once the process is completed, we will see our hearing aids connected correctly. After that, we recommend that you go to the Sound Settings option from the Home search bar. Here you need to check your audio inputs and outputs to make sure your headphones are selected for voice and audio. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.